I want you to be really honest with yourself for the next few minutes because I'm going to describe something and I want you to tell me if all of this sounds familiar. You wake up in the morning, open Instagram or YouTube, see someone talking about how they are making money online, and you feel that spark. That little voice in your head says, yes, I could do this and I really want to do this. So you watch the video, then another video, and then another video. Maybe you save some of those videos as well and you also try to take notes. And then you go to bed telling yourself that tomorrow I'm actually going to work on it, and then tomorrow comes and you repeat the same cycle. If that sounds familiar, then this video is literally made for you because in this video I'm not only going to tell you to stop searching, I'm also going to show you what to start with, how it works, and why this is one of the best side hustles out there. Even if you are working in a full-time job, you have zero experience or very little time. So make sure you stick with me till the very end. Okay, here is something that I want you to hear, and I say this with so much love, but I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The reason most people are still searching has nothing to do with not finding the right side hustle yet. I mean, searching feels safe. Taking notes feels productive. Watching videos feels like you're already making progress. And staying in the research mode means not having to face the possibility of doing it and then it not working out. And I think deep down, most of the people already know that. Because the most common thing I hear is, I will start next month. Next month, when I will have some more time after my work. Next month, when things will calm down. Next month, when I will feel more ready to do it. And then the next month comes. You don't start it. And then another month. And then you don't start it. And just like that, 6 months pass by and you're still at the same place searching for the right side hustle. But today, I am going to end that cycle for you, not just by saying start, but by actually showing you what to start with. Because I think this is the thing that has been missing for the whole time. So, let me introduce yourself to the side hustle that has completely changed my life, and that is selling digital products online. Now, if this is the completely new concept for you, this is the simplest way I can explain it. A digital product is something that can be created and accessed completely online. So there is no physical product involved at all. No purchasing stock, no worrying about packaging or delivery, like nothing like that. Everything happens online. From creating your digital product to understanding what your audience needs to selling your product, your entire business lives in your phone or your laptop. And honestly, this is what makes it such a brilliant side hustle to start with, especially when the budget is tight. Because obviously, there is no inventory to buy, no space to rent it, and no equipment to invest in. The only thing that is needed is your knowledge, a device, and your willingness to show up. And the best part about selling digital products is that you just have to create your product once and then it sells over and over again, and you can sell it to people all around the world. And I know it sounds too good to be true when people hear it for the first time, but let me tell you that it is completely real and I have been doing this from last 2 years. Now let me give you some examples of what a digital product can look like, because I know a lot of people think that this is going to be really complicated or technical, but trust me, it is not. The most beginner friendly digital product to start with is an ebook, which is simply a PDF guide or a document that provides a particular solution to someone's problem. It can be 5 pages or 50 pages. I mean, the length does not matter. What actually matters is how much it is really helping the person who is reading it. Then there are templates. Templates are simply pre-made files that someone can download it and start using right away, and these kind of templates save someone time. For example, budget tracking sheet or Notion template for content creation, email templates, social media planners, or Canva templates. Who doesn't want to save their time in 2026? And since templates really help people to save their time, people love to buy the templates all the time. After that, there are online courses or mini courses. And when I say the word course, I know a lot of people think that they have to create 50 modules long course. But again, this doesn't have to be that complicated. When you create a video course, it is better than an ebook for sure. But that doesn't mean that you need a ton of experience or you need to create a very long course. You just need to be one step ahead of the person who you are helping. And then there are workshops, workbooks, webinars, or membership programs, and just like that, the list goes on. Now that we have understood what is a digital product and what are the different types of digital products that you can start selling, I know a lot of people ask me this question, and I'm sure you might have this question as well. That is, can I really do this with my full time job? If yes, then will it be really feasible? So, I want to tell you that when I started this business, I was working in multiple part time jobs. I mean, obviously, being an immigrant in Canada and working in multiple part time jobs just help you to pay your bills, and you don't really have a lot of savings. So, this business does not require a huge investment. So, even when I started, I did not have a lot of money to invest into. Plus, even I did not have a lot of time to put in as well. But here is why digital products worked so perfectly in this situation. First of all, the investment that is required for this business is very minimal. I mean, the only thing that you need to invest into is to learn how things are going to work. For example, I teach complete beginners on how to do every single thing starting from scratch. I teach it all inside my program that is Passive Creators Hub. And if you are interested to start as well, I mean, you can check out the link. But what I'm trying to say here is that the only thing that you need to invest into is proper guidance and proper learning about how things are going to work. Other than that, you don't need to invest into purchasing any products, packing or delivering your product, or renting any space out. All of this is not required because we create and sell digital products, as we have discussed earlier as well. And then there is so much freedom of location. This is something that attracted me so much because I realized that I can do this from anywhere. All I need is my phone or my laptop and a stable internet connection. I can work on this from my home, from a cafe, from a library, from a completely different country. Does not matter. I'm on my vacation or I'm just working or even I'm on my way to my work. Does not matter what it is. I can do this if I have my phone and laptop with me. And then the part that feels almost like unreal is that you don't really have to work on the business all the time. Once you set up your systems, 80% of the things can be automated. So once you set up your digital product, once you set up your store, once you start creating content, you can actually automate a lot of process so that you don't have to manually do the things all the time. And because of these automations, I literally wake up to sales so many times. I mean, I can make sale at any time of the day. Even when I'm recording this video, I might make a sale because systems are working for me on the back end even if I'm not working actively on them. And I think this part means so much because you don't always have to trade your time with money when it comes to selling digital products. So, since you are convinced about starting this side hustle of selling digital products, let me tell you how exactly all of this works because I want anyone who is watching this video to leave with the real picture in their head about how this works step by step. So let's get into it. I will try to keep this very simple and I will use my 4 steps roadmap to explain it. That means to start this journey of yours, there are only 4 steps that are required. Step 1 is getting proper clarity about your niche and your target audience. That means what is the topic around which you want to base your business, who you are going to help, and how you're going to help them. Now, when it comes to understanding your niche, I know a lot of people overcomplicate this and they think it has to be something that they are expert in, but this is something that you feel that you have achieved and your friends or family or people around you still struggle with. That means to choose something as your niche, you don't have to be an expert in that. You just need to be one step ahead of the people who are still behind. Step 2 is creating a digital product that solves one specific problem of the person who you're trying to help. So in step 1, when you figure out the topic and the person you are trying to help, you need to understand what are the things that they're struggling with or what are the problems that they're going through so that your digital product provides a proper solution to their problem. For example, if your target audience are small business owners who struggle with time management, you can sell proper templates which can help them to manage their time efficiently. So, your digital product can be a template. Similarly, it all depends on what is your niche and what is the digital product that you're going to sell. Once your digital product is created, we move to step 3 of the 4 steps roadmap, and that is setting up your systems. That means once we have created our digital product, we need to set it up in the way so that people can read about it, so that they can understand if they really need this product, and then they can make the payment, and we can also deliver the product right in their emails. So there is a whole system that we set up. So that is what step 3 looks like. Now we move to step 4, and that is creating content so that we can drive the people who really want to purchase our products. So what we do is we choose one social media platform that we want to start posting on. It can be Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, does not matter what social media platform it is. Just pick one and start posting regularly so that your audience can find you, and then you can sell your digital product. And just like that, that is the whole business. Yes, just 4 steps, and once you set this up clearly and properly, your mind will be blown away just realizing that this has so much potential for you to make money. Now I know that was a lot and it might make you feel a little overwhelming as well. So here is what I want you to do after this video. And I mean literally after this video, not tomorrow, not some other day, right now. Make a decision. That is, the searching part stops and the doing part starts today. So, if you are ready to start this side hustle for yourself, I would want to let you know about my 7 days challenge, because this is such a perfect place to start with. If you're a complete beginner and you have understood bits and pieces of how it works in this video, and now you want to take it with a deeper level for a deeper understanding, I would really want you to check out my 7 days challenge. It is such a great challenge for beginners because I teach each and everything that you need to understand and that you need to know about starting the side hustle. And can you guess how much is it? It is only for $7, and it is 7 days challenge. That means for less than $1 a day, you get so much value. And by the end of this challenge, you will have proper clarity on what is your niche, what is your target audience, what is the digital product that you should sell. I mean, proper clarity on each and everything. And it is going to be super, super helpful. So make sure you check it out. I'm going to link it in the description. Check it out, get inside the challenge, and start your journey today. I hope you found this video super helpful, and now you have proper clarity on the side hustle that you're going to start today. Not tomorrow, not the day after tomorrow, not next month, not next 6 months, not when you have a lot of time. The side hustle that you're going to start today, because the earlier you start, the better it is, because then the earlier you will get the results. I hope this video helps. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any other video in the future. And just like that, I will see you in the next video. Bye.